Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to use WhatsApp's document scanner on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp. Then after open up your WhatsApp, go ahead and select a contact. Let's say, for instance, I want to scan a document and send to this contact. I'm going to go ahead and select the contact here. So when you select a contact, go ahead and click on this attach icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on documents right here. And this is going to open up right here. Now on getting to documents, go ahead and click on scan documents right here. Then you can go ahead and place it on your camera right here. Go ahead and click on auto capture. Then in a few seconds, it snaps the document. So here we can enhance, we can filter, we can crop, we can do different editing right here. So if you want to do more, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to scan more different documents entirely. So auto scan, then you can scan as many as possible pages at a go, and then you have it right here. So you can see I have 2 pages right here. It's that simple. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then you are here. So you can go ahead and click on send now. So you have it fully as a PDF document. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WhatsApp, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.